Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
It's us, bro. This is us.
Who are you looking forward to seeing tomorrow?
Oh, fuck, I'm not Cardi B this year, bro.
Who is it?
Probably a bit of Nice Guy.
How was his act last night at R&B?
It was not long enough though.
I hate all this overthinking.
Where are we off to, Jake?
Hey, James. Let's go. See you later, buddy. See you soon.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
It's currently 6 PM. Day gyms has started. I feel like absolute shit. Got my festival clothes on and we'll drive there and give it a shot, eh?
He has finally made it to the festival. Woo! How you feeling?
Saturday.
Get me out of now. To where we started.
How you feeling, Nicole? How you doing, Nikita? Hey Jake, how come you keep closing here?
Well, you know how it is at the end of the day.
How was your night last night?
It was really good.
I'll tell you what,
I
bro.
enjoyed it more than R&B last night.
Really? Really? Why is that?
I raved till grey.
Be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
I was gonna take this.
What are you drinking?
I had my second one. We're still on holiday.